Hey friends, if you're seeing this video, it's because you just received your gallery and the gallery looks different than it ever has before. And I'm super excited to share a couple of the amazing features, but mainly share the functionality of the store. You're going to love this. If you love the shop, you're going to love the store. So let's talk about it. When you jump into your gallery, a couple of things you should take note of. One, if you are the contracted client, then you have access to the full gallery. If you are a guest, you have to request access to the gallery. You have to put in your email, and also you may or may not have access to download or download prints. You have to actually place orders for your digitals, your prints, all that fun stuff. Every gallery always comes with a discount code. I'm always going to give you 30% off on products for a certain period of time. I highly encourage you to take advantage of that. Do not miss out because the store that we have going on now is extremely powerful. All right, so if you're looking at a wedding gallery, you will have different drop downs that you can choose from. So let's go ahead and jump into the bride and groom portraits. I'm going to show you guys a couple of little fun little features here. All right, so as you can see in these images, you have hearts, you have emails, you have Facebook, you have downloads. And one of the things that you don't see on this particular gallery is there's normally a little eyeball right in the top right-hand corner. That eyeball allows you to remove images from the gallery or hide them. Let's say you have a couple photos that you don't want your parents to see because maybe you were having a good time during the reception. You want to hide those from your parents, but you still want to share them in the gallery. You can click the little eyeball and that images are hidden. They're still accessible by you, the client, the owner of the gallery. All right, so also you can click full images. You can go ahead and scroll by clicking the little arrow here, or you could use it similar to the way that you would use an Instagram. Just go ahead and scroll down. So here's what's pretty awesome. From here, you can also select your hearts. When you select hearts, I'm able to see them on my end. Really awesome. You can also use the shopping cart to buy your prints. But I would highly recommend that before you started buying prints just right from the image, that you go right into your shop. Okay. When you hover over that shop, you're going to be able to see all the different options of things that you can buy. You will be able to buy wall art, albums, download digitals. If you're not the gallery owner, you have to pay for the downloads of the digitals. I would remind you guys, as a client, do not share your link because it is associated with your email. And if they don't put your email in, and it's also going to be able to pick up that it's not you. So just don't do that. And also remember, this is how I feed my family. Okay. So let's just say you want to go ahead and say, oh, you know what? I really want to check out some of the foiled prints. Christmas is coming up. I want to order some prints or some greeting cards, thank you cards. And so you go ahead and click on that. You guys, the shop is amazing. It is amazing. So I want to go ahead and customize something. I'm going to go ahead and you can put your name, your spouse's name. You can choose your colors. You can change the backgrounds. You can take images from different sections of your wedding day. And literally you can drag and drop them, or you can just click them right into the card. It's amazing. And so then, you can add that to your cart. Bam. Now it's in your cart, ready to go. Next thing that you can do, you go back to your shop. And let's say you want to order a large piece of wall art. You want to order, let's say, a metal print. It's going to give you a couple of different options. Do you want high gloss, mid gloss? And it's going to actually describe to you what that looks like. What does that entail? If it's a semi-gloss versus a mid-gloss, what are the differences? So you don't feel like you're lost. You can also decide, like, what orientation do you want? Do you want portrait? Do you want landscape? Let's say I want portrait. And I want something large, a 16 by 24, because I'm just going to be something big that I hang on my walls. All my friends are going to absolutely love it when they walk in. They're going to see all these cool photos. And so you're going to drop right into your bride and groom prints. Literally, you can click, you can drag, right? Super awesome. I like that one better. Oh, but I love this one too. I'm going to add this one to the cart. You guys, this is so powerful when I tell you, like, you being able to take control of your shopping. But I know some of you still need to have a little bit of like, can you help me out? And I'm here. So I don't want you to feel like I'm not going to be here to help you walk through this process. Let's say you want to order a calendar. I want to do one of the larger calendars, really cool, 8 by 12. I'm going to hang it on my walls. We're going to have so much fun. And so here you'll be able to pick out different calendar options. Literally, you'll be able to go through and pick out what day it starts on and what images you want to be in these calendars. It is so cool. You can edit like, oh, I want a picture of like my bridal party. So now I'm going to go down to my bridal party portraits. I'm going to drag my guys in there. And then the next one I'm going to put for my girls. Like, you guys, it's so awesome. And so now you have this calendar that you can hang up and have all of your wedding images in. So I'm going to stop here because I want you to play around with this new awesomeness. Like, there's just so much stuff in the gallery, so many things that you can play with. But the main thing is I wanted to make this process as easy on you guys as possible. And I want you to have wall art. It is so important. So if you have questions about your new shop, you let me know. I'm looking forward to hearing from you guys.